Well, hi everybody, it's Diana from Youth Services at Mesa County Libraries. Today we're going to make some scratch art, so let's get started. Okay, so here are the supplies you'll need for your scratch art. I recommend putting a tablecloth down. You'll also need thicker paper, or if you don't have thick paper, I would recommend a piece of cardboard. You will need a paintbrush. I would recommend wearing some clothes that you don't care about getting paint on, or putting an apron on your clothes. And then if you don't want black paint on your hands, getting some gloves. A rag or paper towel. You will need a cup of water. You will also need a chopstick or a toothpick. And then if the toothpick is pointy, be sure that you don't harm yourself with it. You'll need liquid dish soap, also about a ½ ounce of that. You'll need black tempera paint, about a ½ ounce. You'll also need crayons. And I think that's it. Okay, so we're gonna start our scratch art. And what you're gonna wanna do is color sections on your paper or your cardboard. And what I mean by that is you wanna do like color blocks. So you're gonna do a little bit of blue, then you're gonna do a little bit of red. And the reason for that is when you draw your lines, you're gonna wanna see different kind of colors. So think about like a rainbow on that line that you're drawing, okay? So you can do different things, like you can do blocks, kind of like a quilt of colors, or you can do like big kind of starburst things that look sort of like maybe flowers, or you can even do a rainbow, just so that you have lots of colors near each other. And you're gonna wanna fill the whole page up with color. All right, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is mix the paint. So set aside your paper and you're gonna mix the black tempera paint and the dish soap together. And you can do that just with your paintbrush, and I would say like a cup that can get paint on it. And then after you mix that up, then you're going to paint the black paint all over your paper, and you're gonna do at least 2 coats because you're gonna wanna completely cover up all the color. So it'll be a nice surprise once you start drawing and scratching out the black paint. You're gonna let the paper dry for 2 to 3 hours just to make sure that it's completely dry before you start scratching your art. Okay, and while you scratch, you're gonna use your chopstick, kind of like it's a pencil, and you're gonna start drawing with that, or you can use that toothpick if you prefer. And like I said, you can do whatever you'd like. You can make an owl like I'm doing right here, or you can do the wolf like I did for my previous piece. I like nature, but you can do, I don't know, a skateboard, just whatever you're interested in. Please feel free to draw and have so much fun. All right, well, I hope you have fun making your scratch art. If you're interested in learning how to do other craft projects and art projects, of course, we have lots of fun books that you can check out at all of our 8 locations. And if you're interested in finding a list of other books besides these, including STEM books, please go to our website and click on the kids in the blue banner on the top, and then all you have to do is go to book lists for kids, and then popular subjects for readers, and then find the craft and STEM books list, and you can find all kinds of fun things to do at home. So take care, and we'll see you next time. Once you finish your creation, upload a photo to social media of your completed project to share your work. DM us the photo or tag at Mesa County Lib in your post.